Welcome to today's episode of Daily AI Brief, where we dive into the latest breakthroughs and challenges in the world of artificial intelligence. From multimedia processing advancements to the disruptive potential of AI in financial sectors, we've got a rich lineup to explore. We'll navigate through innovative models, new tools, and intriguing implications on industries ranging from banking to video generation. Let's jump right in. Real-time communication has taken a significant leap forward with Google's release of Gemini 3.1 Flash Live, a sophisticated multimodal voice model designed for high-speed, clear interactions in the most dynamic settings. This advancement is crafted to enhance sectors like customer service and mobile applications where the speed and quality of communication are crucial. Gemini 3.1 Flash Live marks a major upgrade in low-latency audio interaction, meeting the demands of fast-paced environments. Users can expect faster responses, which are critical for real-time applications where every millisecond matters. A notable feature of this model is its ability to revolutionize real-time communication technologies through innovative processing techniques. Focusing on the technical side, Gemini 3.1 Flash Live incorporates several key components. Multimodal processing. This includes handling both audio and video data, ensuring comprehensive communication capabilities. Advanced architecture, optimized for low-latency interaction. The architecture supports rapid processing speeds. Noise reduction, utilizes cutting-edge machine learning techniques to minimize interference in noisy settings and deliver clearer output. Real-time feedback, provides instantaneous responses, a critical factor in enhancing user engagement and interaction quality. Integration capabilities. APIs are available through Google AI Studio and Vertex AI, allowing for seamless integration into existing systems. Complex data handling, designed to process high-volume tasks efficiently, catering to the growing need for robust communication solutions. Looking at performance, Gemini 3.1 Flash Live excels in multiple metrics. Speed. It's 2.5 times faster at generating the first answer token than its predecessor, Gemini 2.5 Flash. This translates to a significant reduction in response time. Output efficiency. A 45% increase in output speed enhances overall performance, making it particularly useful for high-demand applications. Benchmarks. It achieves an ELO score of 432 on the Arena.ai leaderboard, outperforming competitors like GPT-5 Mini in 6 out of 11 tests. Despite its impressive capabilities, there are trade-offs and limits to consider. The model's performance in extremely noisy environments remains uncertain, and its scalability for large-scale enterprise applications is yet to be fully determined. Although its initial metrics are promising, they require further validation in real-world scenarios. For developers interested in leveraging Gemini 3.1 Flash Live, exploring its features via Google AI Studio is a good starting point. Testing its performance with sample inputs through the Gemini API provides practical insights. Additionally, reviewing the comprehensive documentation available at the Gemini API changelog /ai.google.dev/gemini-api-docs changelog source OpenAI will guide integration efforts. Ultimately, Gemini 3.1 Flash Live sets a new standard in real-time audio communication. It promises to deliver unprecedented speed and clarity, pushing the boundaries of digital interaction and potentially reshaping how developers approach high-volume communication tasks. Imagine turning your surveillance cameras into intelligent search engines. Conntour, an innovative tech firm, has raised $7 million to make this vision a reality, leveraging AI to transform how we interact with video footage. Founded in 2024 by Matin Goldner and Tomer Kula in San Francisco, Conntour's technology marks a significant leap in video analytics. Their platform allows users to perform natural language queries on video footage, enhancing the speed and flexibility of surveillance operations. For instance, users can ask, "Show me where a man with a red shirt entered the building yesterday," receiving precise results. This capability capitalizes on advances in natural language processing, NLP, making complex video searches both intuitive and accessible. Technically, Conntour's solution integrates smoothly with existing security camera systems using several key technologies. Natural language processing, NLP. This enables the interpretation of complex queries as if they were regular search engine requests, ensuring ease of use for non-technical users. Machine learning models. Conntour's algorithms can detect anomalies and provide real-time alerts about monitored events, enhancing proactive security measures. Cloud-based processing. By leveraging cloud infrastructure, Conntour can handle large volumes of video data efficiently, providing scalable solutions suitable for extensive deployment across varied environments. The recent funding round, led by General Catalyst and including renowned investors like Y Combinator and SV Angel, will support the further development and deployment of Conntour's AI engine. This backing is essential as the company positions itself in a competitive space dominated by firms like Augur and Lorex. Despite its promising technology, Conntour faces challenges. The market is highly competitive, with established players offering robust features, albeit without Conntour's unique query capabilities. Moreover, privacy concerns present a significant hurdle, as increased AI-based surveillance intersects with ethical and regulatory discussions. Potential security risks associated with data handling and AI decision-making processes pose additional considerations that must be addressed as the technology scales. For interested parties, engaging with Conntour's existing systems can provide valuable insight into their natural language query features. By testing specific event requests, users can experience firsthand the practical benefits and operational efficiencies Conntour offers. Conntour's approach, by turning static surveillance systems into interactive tools, could revolutionize the field of video analytics. This development enhances situational awareness across businesses and government entities, offering a robust solution to security challenges. By making AI-driven video surveillance more responsive and context-aware, Conntour is at the forefront of a significant shift in how security is managed, monitored, and maintained. AI agents are evolving rapidly, with JiuwenClaw leading the charge. Launched by the Open Jiuwen community, this groundbreaking self-evolving agent is specifically crafted to revolutionize task management processes by harnessing continuous user feedback. JiuwenClaw's primary purpose is to automate repetitive tasks across a wide array of sectors, ranging from business operations to highly technical environments. This development represents a significant leap forward in crafting reliable and efficient AI systems that are agile in responding to dynamic user requirements. Delving deeper into its structure, JiuwenClaw incorporates user feedback loop. Central to JiuwenClaw's design is its ability to utilize user feedback for ongoing improvements in task execution. This system's adaptability hinges on real-time inputs, creating AI that learns and evolves with every interaction. Machine learning integration. Advanced machine learning techniques empower JiuwenClaw to adjust and refine algorithms, ensuring tailored task management solutions that meet specific needs efficiently. User-friendly interface. Designed with accessibility in mind, its interface facilitates seamless interaction, allowing easy integration with existing enterprise software systems. This ensures that businesses can adopt JiuwenClaw without overhauling their infrastructure. Though specific technical benchmarks are still undisclosed, JiuwenClaw speculates up to a 40% reduction in task execution time, alongside a 30% boost in user satisfaction. But these figures await real-world validation. In terms of its practical implications, JiuwenClaw stands as a testament to the potential transformation self-evolving AI can bring. By improving operational efficiency and user experience, it underscores the readiness of AI systems to meet the increasing demands of digital transformation in business. Nonetheless, challenges such as potential security risks in handling sensitive data and interoperability concerns with existing systems are intrinsic to its evolving nature. There's also the initial performance dependency on user feedback, which might slow down adaptability in early stages. For those interested in experiencing this technology firsthand, the OpenJiuwen website provides demo applications and opportunities to test JiuwenClaw in live environments. By exploring their comprehensive API documentation, users can assess the integration potential within their workflows. In essence, JiuwenClaw sets a promising precedent for self-evolving agents in AI, suggesting a future where such systems are central to enhancing both operational efficiency and user satisfaction. This innovation may inspire further advancements within the AI community, paving the way for the next generation of adaptive AI solutions. Meta's Tribe V2 model opens new pathways for understanding human cognition by predicting brain responses to multimedia stimuli. This trimodal foundation model uses text, audio, and video to decode brain activity, winning first place in the Algonauts 2025 competition by a significant margin. Tribe V2 marks a substantial advancement in neuroscience, moving beyond traditional models that handle isolated brain functions or individual modalities like speech or vision. By combining different stimulus types, Meta highlights how the brain processes experiences across a spectrum of cognitive functions, spanning research, media, and marketing. Key technical aspects. Trimodal foundation. Tribe V2 integrates text, audio, and video inputs, providing a comprehensive model of human perception. This approach allows the model to address the nuanced complexities in brain stimuli processing. Transformer architecture. The model incorporates a transformer architecture capable of handling temporal data, which is crucial for accurately predicting the dynamic nature of brain fMRI responses over time. Pre-trained representations. By leveraging pre-trained models, Tribe V2 enhances prediction accuracy, learning from extensive datasets that reduce the need for large volumes of new data inputs. Temporal analysis. It codifies methodologies to understand temporal patterns in brain activity, allowing predictions across multiple cortical areas and recognizing diverse response types among different individuals. Performance benchmarks. In evaluations, Tribe V2 achieved a remarkable 73% top 10 accuracy rate in decoding speech from brain activity, a feat previously unmatched by older models. The model has set a high bar in terms of predictive accuracy, particularly in high-level associative cortices, crucial for complex cognitive tasks. Ethical considerations and trade-offs. While advancing our knowledge of the brain's encoding mechanisms, Tribe V2 raises pressing ethical questions. The generalizability of its predictions across diverse populations remains under scrutiny. Moreover, there are concerns regarding the potential for cognitive manipulation in media content creation, possibly targeting specific neurological responses for marketing strategies. Practical applications and future directions. To explore Tribe V2's capabilities, researchers can access the model's code on GitHub. By experimenting with diverse stimuli inputs, users can analyze fMRI data to gain deeper insights into cognitive functions, potentially influencing studies on human perception and comprehension. Long-term goals for Tribe V2 involve contributing foundational research toward brain-computer interfaces and assistive technologies, providing innovative solutions that may impact industries reliant on detailed audience engagement analytics. Conclusion. By advancing our understanding of brain activity, Tribe V2 sets a new standard for neuroscience and content creation, paving the way for enriched media experiences. As research and applications of this model grow, it provides a pivotal tool in neuroscience, potentially redefining media, marketing, and even educational approaches based on how different stimuli engage the brain. With its groundbreaking predictive capabilities, Tribe V2 aligns with emerging trends that favor holistic, multimodal approaches to studying the brain over isolated modalities. Chronic amnesia in AI video generation could become a thing of the past with the introduction of HyDRA. This novel memory architecture addresses the problem of characters or subjects becoming forgotten when off-screen. This is crucial in fields like cinematic and game development, where character consistency is paramount to narrative integrity and user immersion. HyDRA operates by utilizing a hybrid memory system that leverages a dual strategy of token-based memory compression and spatiotemporal relevance-driven retrieval mechanisms. Essentially, it works by encoding memory into compact tokens that efficiently store vast sequences of data, allowing quick retrieval based on the significance of past frames to current content needs. This innovative approach ensures that AI systems maintain a continuous understanding of both static and dynamic elements within video content. Key technical components of HyDRA include token-based memory compression. This allows for streamlined and efficient storage of memory, transforming extensive datasets into manageable tagged tokens. Spatiotemporal relevance-based retrieval. This ensures rapid access to necessary memory segments, maintaining coherence in dynamic video environments by choosing the most contextually appropriate data for predictions. Dynamic subject tracking. By continuously maintaining awareness of subjects, even when off-screen, it supports fluid storytelling and reduces narrative disruptions often experienced in AI-generated media. However, there are challenges. Generalization across various video generation tasks remains under evaluation, and scalability for large-scale applications is uncertain. The computational resource requirements for maintaining and retrieving high-level memory models can be significant, impacting potential deployment in less powerful systems. To explore HyDRA, interested researchers and developers can review the paper Out of Sight but Not Out of Mind: Hybrid Memory for Dynamic Video World Models on Arxiv. Practical implementation may involve integrating hybrid memory components into existing AI video frameworks to assess improvements in continuity and consistency. While the detailed performance improvements over existing models remain to be quantified, HyDRA proposes an impactful shift towards resolving AI video generation's historical challenges. It promises enhanced viewer experiences by supporting more sophisticated content creation processes, setting the stage for an era of AI-driven media where continuity issues are significantly minimized, thereby revolutionizing storytelling techniques in digital media. Visual Studio Code is setting new benchmarks with the release of version 1.13, which introduces a revolutionary centralized chat customizations editor designed to enhance the developer experience. This latest update marks a substantial leap forward in integrating AI-driven features directly within the coding environment, a testament to Microsoft's commitment to advancing development tools. The cornerstone of this update, the centralized chat customizations editor, simplifies the management and implementation of personalized chat functionalities. By harnessing the power of agent plugins, first introduced in version 1.110, developers can now customize their workflows even more effectively. These plugins come as prepackaged bundles consisting of various components like skills, commands, agents, MCP servers, and hooks. This modular architecture not only allows developers to tailor their setups efficiently, but also encourages the installation of functionalities from specialized plugin marketplaces. The agent plugins leverage MCP, Model Context Protocol, facilitating seamless interactions within the editor. MCP serves as a crucial integration point for AI capabilities, enabling richer, context-aware interactions that are pivotal in today's increasingly automated and intelligent coding environments. It ensures that interactions are not just reactive, but also contextually relevant, greatly enhancing the user experience. The version's focus on continuous improvement is evident, but it also poses certain limitations. For instance, while the potential of these agent plugins is considerable, their specific functionalities remain somewhat vague, leaving room for exploration. Developers may face challenges regarding compatibility with existing plugins or configurations, as well as varying adoption rates within the community, which can impact the standardization of these updates. Practically, developers can start exploring these customizations by visiting the Visual Studio Marketplace, where they can install and experiment with different agent plugins. Comprehensive documentation and release notes offer a deeper understanding of the changes introduced in version 1.113. Additionally, engaging in community forums can be invaluable for sharing experiences, discussing practical applications, and providing feedback to Microsoft. The introduction of these AI-powered features aligns with broader industry trends towards incorporating AI into integrated development environments, IDEs. By enabling real-time, custom interactions, VS Code is not only improving development efficiency, but also fostering a more collaborative environment. As developers increasingly rely on intelligent assistants, such features could set a precedent, driving future updates across other IDE platforms. Finally, while these advancements herald significant improvements in productivity and customization, they also raise concerns about privacy and data handling, necessitating careful consideration of how these tools manage and utilize developer data. In summary, Visual Studio Code's latest release ushers in a new era of AI-enhanced coding experiences, inviting developers to redefine their workflows with richer, more tailored chat interactions within their favorite IDE. Artificial intelligence is poised to finish what neobanks started, disrupting traditional banking models. The swift adoption of AI technologies by neobanks has set a new benchmark, pushing traditional banks to adapt or risk being left behind. Neobanks, by design, are fully digital, leveraging AI for improved customer experiences through real-time transaction processing and personalized financial insights. These banks have no physical branches, enabling them to operate with lower overhead costs and focus resources on technological advancements. AI plays a crucial role in these operations by analyzing vast amounts of data to optimize services such as personalized financial guidance and behavioral pattern recognition for fraud prevention. Traditional banks, on the other hand, are tethered to legacy systems and face substantial challenges with AI integration, primarily due to high costs and regulatory complexities. The integration of AI technologies involves substantial initial investments, leading to short-term declines in financial performance, a phenomenon termed the productivity paradox. Specifically, the adoption of generative AI has been correlated with a 517 basis point ROE decline for smaller banks and a 129 basis point decline for larger banks. These figures illustrate the scaling challenges smaller banks face compared to their larger counterparts when integrating advanced technologies. Key technological drivers propelling this transformation include AI integration in customer service. The use of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants is prevalent, aiming to reduce wait times and enhance customer satisfaction by providing 24/7 service. These systems utilize natural language processing to interact seamlessly with customers, resolving queries efficiently. Machine learning for fraud detection. The implementation of sophisticated algorithms allows real-time monitoring of transactions to detect and prevent fraudulent activities. This not only enhances security, but also builds consumer trust, a critical factor in retaining customers in digital banking. Real-time personalization of financial insights. Advanced analytics enable banks to offer customized advice and financial products tailored to individual needs, enhancing user engagement. Cloud infrastructure scaling. As AI applications broaden, scalable cloud solutions are critical for processing large data volumes, supporting AI tools deployment and management across global networks. The synchronization of AI-driven decision-making, while beneficial for operational efficiency, poses systemic risks, necessitating robust risk management frameworks to mitigate any potential fallout. Moreover, increased reliance on AI could synchronize errors across institutions, amplifying risks within the financial system, a challenge requiring vigilant oversight. Exploring AI-powered customer service enhancements and ML-based fraud detection models presents immediate opportunities for traditional banks to innovate. Initiating pilot projects could offer crucial insights into transformative processes, aligning with evolving market demands. AI's potential to reshape financial services is immense, heralding a future where personalized, efficient banking is the norm. As the technology gap widens, traditional banks must accelerate innovation or continue to cede ground to more agile, tech-savvy competitors. This evolution promises to redefine consumer interaction with financial institutions, fostering a new competitive landscape that prioritizes immediacy, personalization, and security. Tabnine has taken a significant leap forward with the release of its enterprise context engine, adding depth to AI-driven software development. This launch emphasizes the incorporation of comprehensive contextual understanding to automate coding processes effectively, aligning with the evolving demands of software engineering. Announced in February 2026, the Enterprise Context Engine offers an enriched view of a company's software landscape, ensuring that code generation and workflows are aligned with organizational goals and standards. This tool is a testament to Tabnine's evolution from a simple completion tool to a robust AI platform, underscoring its commitment to enhancing developer productivity and creativity. Key features. The Enterprise Context Engine provides structured understanding. It builds a continuous, dynamic model of an organization's software architecture, dependencies, and best practices. This understanding is vital for automating tasks such as code conversion and enhancement, mirroring complex organizational frameworks. AI agents. These agents automate essential tasks like refactoring, debugging, and documentation. By leveraging a deep comprehension of existing repositories, tools, and engineering policies, these agents ensure that automation aligns with established practices and compliance requirements. Seamless integration, supporting flexible deployment options, cloud, private cloud, on-premises, and even air-gapped environments, allows enterprises to incorporate these tools without disrupting existing development workflows. Addressing challenges. Despite its promise, enterprise adoption rates are still uncertain. Integration with existing systems can pose a challenge, particularly if the organization's data isn't already well organized or if current workflows are complex. These limitations necessitate careful planning and possibly restructuring of some processes to fully capitalize on Tabnine's features. Moreover, the long-term impacts of AI-driven context on software development workflows and the potential overdependence on the quality of the organizational data are crucial considerations. Practical steps for developers. Developers keen on leveraging Tabnine's capabilities can start by exploring Tabnine's official documentation, which provides step-by-step guides for integration. Setting up the CLI tools and experimenting with different deployment configurations can help teams identify the best fit for their needs. Additionally, utilizing tips and tricks to maximize coding practices with Tabnine can transform routine development tasks into more efficient and innovative processes. Implications and future potential. This initiative marks a significant trend towards context-aware tools in software development. By improving productivity and fostering creative breakthroughs, Tabnine promises to reshape modern programming. However, the potential for AI to redefine roles within development teams highlights both opportunities and challenges. There is optimism about improved coding standards driven by context-aware AI, but also caution regarding the reliability of AI-generated code without human oversight. In conclusion, while the path to widespread adoption may be complex, Tabnine's Enterprise Context Engine stands as a pioneering effort to enhance AI integration in software development. This development could lead to significant workflow automation in software projects, potentially changing the nature of roles within development teams and reshaping enterprise dynamics in the tech landscape. Handling data efficiently is crucial for advancing robotics, and new tools like Nomadic and Hugging Face buckets are at the forefront of transforming this landscape. By addressing bottlenecks in traditional methods, these innovations enhance data quality and management for superior training outcomes. Key innovations and technical details. Hugging Face storage buckets, introduced in March 2026, are particularly designed to address inefficiencies commonly faced when managing mutable files. Traditional Git-based repositories often struggle with the demands of large-scale, complex datasets typical in machine learning projects. Hugging Face storage buckets overcome these limitations through a few critical design choices. S3-like architecture. This design ensures robustness and scalability, offering an infrastructure that can handle vast amounts of data without the version control issues found in traditional systems. Integration with Zet Storage Backend. This backend is integrated to optimize data management, enabling efficient storage and retrieval operations, which is critical when dealing with large machine learning artifacts such as model checkpoints, optimizer states, and execution logs. Support for large artifacts. The system is equipped to manage the complex storage needs of machine learning operations, ensuring that data handling does not become a bottleneck in the training process. Impact and applications. The potential impact of these systems on the robotics field can be substantial. By streamlining workflows and enhancing data retrieval efficiency, these tools could significantly improve the quality of machine learning models used in robotics. Although specific performance benchmarks have yet to be published, the projected improvements in data handling suggest several key benefits. Enhanced training quality. With the ability to manage more extensive and complex datasets more effectively, developers can train models that perform better in real-world applications. Scalability in robotics projects. These tools can accommodate the growing data needs as robotics projects become increasingly data intensive. Faster time to market. Improved efficiency in data management could reduce development times, potentially leading to quicker deployment of new robotic solutions. Practical steps for developers. To fully leverage these innovations, developers might consider the following steps. 1. Testing storage buckets. Explore Hugging Face's storage buckets. Capabilities on the Hugging Face Hub to understand their functionality and how they can be integrated within existing machine learning pipelines. 2. Integration practices. Review the latest resources and blog posts that outline methods for integrating storage buckets, focusing on large data management strategies. 3. Combine with Nomadic. Experiment with using Nomadic in conjunction with Hugging Face buckets to enhance robotics training data management further. Challenges and future directions. While promising, these tools also come with challenges. Potential issues include ensuring seamless integration with existing ML pipelines and overcoming possible compatibility issues with current data handling tools. As the robotics and AI communities begin to adopt these innovations, ongoing research and development will be essential to address these hurdles. Overall, the introduction of Nomadic and Hugging Face buckets represents a significant step forward in data management for robotics. By potentially setting new industry standards, these innovations pave the way for more sophisticated and efficient robotics applications, signaling an exciting future for AI-driven robotic systems. In the complex world of financial data, Kensho's latest development aims to simplify the retrieval and utilization of fragmented datasets. By employing a multi-agent framework built on LangGraph, Kensho could streamline access to verified data, enhancing decision-making processes in finance. Kensho's approach targets a significant issue in financial sectors: fragmented data systems. These systems often require labor-intensive manual navigation, a burden alleviated by Kensho's innovative use of multi-agent systems, MAS. A MAS operates through autonomous agents that perform tasks independently and concurrently, significantly boosting processing efficiency and speed. Each agent can be programmed for specific data retrieval tasks, which together create a cohesive system that approaches complex data sets with divided, specialized expertise. LangGraph, the backbone of this architecture, further empowers these agents through enhanced data retrieval capabilities. Using graph-based models, LangGraph efficiently maps connections between disparate datasets, facilitating the seamless integration and interaction necessary in navigating complex financial data landscapes. While specific benchmarks for LangGraph within Kensho's new framework haven't been disclosed, the theoretical benefits suggest a substantial reduction in retrieval times and manual errors. The framework also leverages several API functionalities, including audio-to-text transformations and document structuring. These APIs enhance the ability to swiftly convert various data formats into structured forms that agents can process, merging audio files, structured documents, and unstructured content into a unified, accessible format. Kensho's previous success with tools like NERD, which applies named entity recognition and disambiguation, provides a glimpse into how entity recognition might enhance insights within the new framework. Though performance metrics specifically for this latest system are not available, NERD's past effectiveness in linking financial entities to databases like S&P Capital IQ could inform future developments. There are challenges, however, in the integration phase, particularly concerning compatibility with legacy data systems. Organizations considering adoption must evaluate potential implementation costs and weigh them against the anticipated efficiency gains. Furthermore, the success of the framework hinges on the stability of LangGraph. Should there be fluctuations in its performance, it might impact overall effectiveness in live financial environments. Curious finance professionals and developers can explore Kensho's comprehensive API documentation to assess these functionalities firsthand. Testing available document structuring functions and evaluating NERD's capabilities might reveal opportunities for practical integration. Ultimately, Kensho's advances symbolize a broader shift toward multi-agent systems, which are increasingly recognized for their potential to enhance financial analytics. Should Kensho's model prove successful, it could not only redefine data retrieval processes in finance, but also set new industry standards. This innovation hints at a future where faster, more informed decision-making becomes the norm, driven by robust, automated data systems. That's a wrap for today's episode of Daily AI Brief. We've traversed the landscape of AI advancements from communications to financial ecosystems. Each development brings us closer to a future where AI profoundly enhances and reshapes industries. Stay tuned for more insights and keep exploring these intriguing innovations. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you in the next episode.